welcome to our world. This is what we lovingly call the chicken shed. It used to be a chicken house, and now it is just a unorganized mess. But thanks to Fleximount, today we are going to start organizing and making over our shed, and cannot wait to be able to actually find things in here. Okay, the shed is empty and the weather is a little bit colder. We have a little heater going, but we're super excited. Fleximount sent us this wall shelf pack. In our shed, we're going to have it zoned into holiday and furniture. So there's going to be a lot of stuff on the floor. These are going to be invaluable. So this is a 2-foot by 6-foot pack, but there's 2 of them, and so they're wall mounts. So we're gonna get those put together. Super excited to be able to finally find things in our shed. Okay, I wasn't gonna hit record yet, but we needed to show you. If you've ever thought you saw a shelf bracket, you really never have. This is, like Ross said when he's opening it up, this is like a bridge. These things are beefy. The packaging says it holds up to 800 pounds evenly distributed. After we started opening this up, we can see why. This is some serious strong shelving, but it has 2 rows of support on the front and the back. So just wanted to show you, I can truly see this is gonna hold a ton of stuff. Okay, this is cool. Obviously it comes with the screws and washers and everything you need. And anytime you've ever put up a shelf, it always comes with anchors. But in our experience, you have to go get your own anchor to make it strong enough. Look at the size of these anchors that they send with it. Again, we're not going to need to use those. Our stud walls are exposed, but it does come with some pretty beefy anchors. I was wondering how they're going to attach the shelf to the bracket. Pretty ingenious. These are little Velcro straps that we are going to strap the shelf to the bracket itself. So pretty clever. Okay, we have it all lined up and laid out. Ross is going to pre-drill all of them first, and then this is going to go really fast.
So what we're using is a 13mm socket, and this is a ratcheting impact gun. You can also use just a standard ratchet with the same size socket and to do it by manual. Luckily we have this tool to do the job for us.
I was actually wondering how the shelves are going to be 24 inches deep. The box was definitely not that big. It's 2 shelves on one. So you put in the back one and they have nice little grooves here that it falls down in. But what I figured out is you need to put the first one in first because they won't both fit in that slot. So put in your first one and it'll slide back in the slot. Then you can put down your second one and it falls right into place. Okay, gonna go ahead and put up the Velcro tabs, super simple, and that's just gonna keep the shelves in place. Super excited, the openings on these shelves are just, I don't know, 2.5 inches. So you're gonna be able to set quite a few things on top of here that aren't going to fall through. And so there, it's just Velcroed on, so we're gonna Velcro them on and get it loaded up. And for the installation time, it took exactly 1 hour, but that was because we're walking all over our 10-acre property trying to find tools. If we would have had it organized from the beginning, easily a half-hour project. And it does say it's 1-person installation, but our motto, the couple that remodels together stays together. So we have our reorganization project complete, and the shelves that Fleximount sent us just worked out fantastic. So this is the 48-inch shelf, and here is the 2-pack of the 2x6 shelves. just absolutely amazing how much stuff that we put on here. So if you're looking for a way to organize your garage, your shed, your workspace, your workshop, definitely check out the Fleximount shelving systems. It has been a life-changing event here at the Rosendahl house.